Are you considering starting online writing? Or maybe you have not yet started because you don't know how? Or maybe you have interest in it? Then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Carol. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you on how you can start academic writing, or rather online writing, successfully. The first tip is on how to get started as an online writer. You need to have the ability to deliver a paper that is grammatically correct, a paper that is well formatted, and a paper that is original, not copied work. Meaning if you have those skills, then you'll be good to go. All you need is the passion to learn and the passion to write, and you'll be good to go as an online writer. The other concern is where to learn. Online writing has become very prominent in many countries, so it's very easy to find a friend who can teach you or recommend someone who can teach you. Some of the other way you can learn is through searching the net. You can search from the net how to format a paper, how to write a good essay, how to create paragraphs, how to research and write. There are many things you can learn from the internet. Question number 3 is what tools do I need? One of the tools you need is a computer. A computer will help you write and save your work. The other thing you need a reliable internet connection. So maybe Wi-Fi. You may use your phone to hotspot or any other source of internet. Number 3, you need Microsoft Word installed in your computer. Microsoft Word helps you type in your work and format your paper. You need a good browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Mozilla, or any other browser that you'd prefer. This will help you research, write, and be able to complete your task. Now the last and greatest concern is where to get the job or where to get the clients. You can buy an account, but make sure where you're buying an account is a reliable and trusted source. You can ask someone who is experienced in online writing to recommend you the best place to buy an account, and to recommend you the best account to buy. You can also search the internet for the freelancing websites that offer writing jobs. The other best way to get started is working as a hired writer. You can find someone who has an account and request to work for them. I hope you found what you are looking for in this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.